My beloved child, do you feel the weight of the world on your shoulders? Do you long for a peace that surpasses understanding? A joy that bubbles up from the very core of your being, even when storms rage around you? I see you. I know you. And I have a message, etched on the very fabric of existence, just for you. This isn't just another video. This is a lifeline, a whisper of hope in the deafening roar of your doubts. Before we delve into the heart of this truth, a truth that can reshape your reality, I ask for a small act of faith, a gesture of connection. Like this video, let it be a beacon, signaling your openness to receive. Share this message with 3 people you cherish most, those whose lives you wish to see illuminated with the same radiant light that is about to shine upon you. And, most importantly, subscribe to this channel, to this wellspring of unending love and guidance. And in the comments below, simply type the word, arise. Why these actions? Because, my child, faith moves mountains. These aren't mere clicks, they are declarations. They are your whispered yes to a destiny far grander than you can currently imagine. By taking these small steps, and by listening patiently to every word I speak, until the very end of this message, you are opening the floodgates. You are inviting a torrent of blessings, not just upon yourself, but upon your entire family, your lineage, your very future. The blessings will flow, healing will come, and the peace you crave will settle upon you like the morning dew. Are you ready to receive? Then listen closely, my precious child. Let go and arise. My beloved child, faith. You have whispered that sacred word, and it has reached me, a sweet melody in the symphony of creation. Know this, above all else, you are loved. Not for what you have done, or what you will do, but simply for who you are, my creation, my child, a spark of the divine flame itself. This love is not fleeting. It is not conditional. It is the bedrock of your existence, a constant, unwavering force that surrounds you, protects you, and guides you, even when you feel most alone. I see the burdens you carry, the silent struggles that weigh heavy on your heart, the anxieties that whisper doubts in the quiet hours, the fears that cling to you like shadows. Release them, my child. Surrender them into my hands. Do not try to carry the weight of the world upon your shoulders, for I am here to bear it with you, to lighten your load, and to lead you to paths of peace. This surrender, my precious one, is not a sign of weakness, but the ultimate act of strength. It is the recognition that you are not alone, that you do not have to navigate the labyrinth of life unaided. Imagine a small boat caught in a raging storm, tossed to and fro by the merciless waves. The captain, clinging desperately to the wheel, fighting against the overwhelming power of the ocean, is exhausting himself, risking capsizing at any moment. But what if instead he dropped anchor? What if he trusted that the anchor, though unseen beneath the turbulent surface, would hold him steady, prevent him from being swept away? That anchor, my child, is your faith in me. It is the unwavering belief that even in the midst of the storm, I am present, I am in control, and I will bring you safely to shore. Surrender is not passive resignation. It is active trust. It is saying, I cannot do this alone, but I know you can. It is releasing the tight grip of control, the illusion that you can orchestrate every detail of your life. It is acknowledging that my wisdom surpasses your understanding, that my plans for you are far greater than anything you could conceive. Think of a child learning to ride a bicycle. At first, they grip the handlebars tightly, tense and fearful, constantly looking down at their feet. They wobble, they stumble, they fall. But then, a moment comes when they look up, when they trust the parent running alongside them, holding them steady. They relax their grip, they find their balance, and they begin to glide. That, my child, is the essence of surrender. It is trusting in my guiding hand, allowing me to lead you, to support you, to propel you forward. And what of the burdens you carry, the wounds that ache within you, the memories that haunt you, the regrets that whisper accusations in the stillness of the night? Do not believe the lie that you are defined by your past, that you are forever stained by your mistakes. You are not a sum of your failures. You are a masterpiece in progress, a work of art being constantly refined and perfected. The wounds you have suffered, The scars they have left behind, they are not marks of shame. They are badges of honor, testaments to your resilience, your strength, your capacity to overcome. Imagine a piece of broken pottery, shattered into countless fragments. A craftsman, skilled in the art of kintsugi, carefully gathers the pieces. He does not discard them. He does not try to hide the cracks. Instead, he mends them with gold, transforming the brokenness into something even more beautiful, more valuable than before. The scars, once symbols of damage, become lines of shimmering beauty, highlighting the object's unique history and resilience. I, my child, am that divine craftsman. I take the broken pieces of your life, the shattered dreams, the wounded heart, and I mend them with my love, my grace, my healing power. The scars remain, yes, but they are transformed into symbols of strength, of resilience, of the beauty that can emerge from brokenness. Healing, my child, is a process, not an event. It requires patience, gentleness, and a willingness to confront the pain, to allow it to surface, to be acknowledged, and to be released. Do not bury your emotions. Do not pretend that you are not hurting. Allow yourself to feel, to grieve, to mourn. Tears are not a sign of weakness. They are a cleansing rain, washing away the residue of pain and preparing the ground for new growth. Talk to me, my child. Share your deepest hurts, your unspoken fears. Do not be afraid to be vulnerable, to be raw, to be real. I am not judging you. I am not condemning you. I am embracing you, holding you, loving you through the pain. And as you heal, remember the power of forgiveness. Forgive yourself for the mistakes you have made, for the times you have fallen short. Forgive others for the hurts they have inflicted, for the betrayals you have suffered. Forgiveness is not condoning their actions. It is releasing yourself from the prison of bitterness and resentment. It is choosing to let go of the past, to break free from the chains that bind you to the pain. Imagine carrying a heavy sack filled with stones, each stone representing a grudge, a resentment, a hurt. The weight drags you down, exhausting you, preventing you from moving forward. Forgiveness is setting down that sack, one stone at a time, until you are free to walk unburdened, to embrace the lightness of being. Prayer, my precious one, is your constant connection to me, the lifeline that sustains you, the breath that animates your soul. It is not a mere formality, a ritual to be performed at designated times. It is a continuous conversation, a constant communion, a sacred dialogue between you and your Creator. Do not think of prayer as a list of requests, a shopping list of desires. It is so much more than that. It is an opening of your heart, a sharing of your innermost being, a merging of your spirit with mine. Imagine a radio receiver tuned to a specific frequency. When the tuning is precise, the signal comes through clearly, the music flows unimpeded. But when the tuning is off, the signal is weak, distorted, filled with static. Prayer is the tuning of your soul to my frequency, the alignment of your will with mine. It is the process of clearing away the static of doubt, fear, and anxiety, so that you can hear my voice, receive my guidance, and experience my presence. Pray not only for yourself, my child, but for others. Intercede for your loved ones, for those who are suffering, for those who have lost their way. Your prayers, offered with a sincere heart, have the power to unleash my grace, to bring about healing, to transform lives. Imagine a network of light, connecting every praying soul, each prayer adding to the collective energy, amplifying the power of love and compassion. Your prayers, my child, are a vital part of that network, a contribution to the healing of the world. And as you navigate the challenges of life, remember that you are not alone. I am with you always, even in the darkest valleys, even in the fiercest storms. Do not be afraid of adversity. It is often the crucible in which your character is forged, your faith is tested, and your spirit is strengthened. Think of a diamond, formed under immense pressure, deep within the earth. It is the pressure that transforms the carbon into a brilliant, indestructible gem. Similarly, the challenges you face are opportunities for growth, for transformation, for the emergence of your true strength and beauty. Do not be discouraged by setbacks. They are not failures, but learning experiences. Every stumble, every fall, is a chance to rise again, stronger and wiser than before. Remember the story of the persistent widow who kept coming before the unjust judge, pleading for justice. Her persistence, her unwavering determination, eventually wore down the judge, and he granted her request. Similarly, my child, do not give up on your prayers. Do not lose heart in the face of adversity. Keep knocking, keep seeking, keep asking, and I will answer. And remember, my child, that patience is a divine virtue, a quality that reflects my own nature. I am not in a hurry. I see the grand tapestry of time, the unfolding of my plan across the ages. Trust in my timing, believe in my process, and know that everything is working together for your good. The seed that is planted in the ground does not sprout overnight. It requires time, nurturing, and the right conditions to grow. Similarly, the blessings I have in store for you may not manifest immediately, but they are coming, they are unfolding, they are being prepared. Do not compare your journey to the journeys of others. Each soul is unique. Each path is different. Focus on your own growth, on your own relationship with me, and trust that I am leading you toward your highest good. Do not envy the blessings of others. Celebrate their successes, but do not allow their journey to diminish your own. Your time will come, my child. Your blessings will flow. Trust in the process, believe in my promises, and keep your eyes fixed on the light. Look forward, my child, with hope and anticipation. Do not dwell on the past. Do not be consumed by the present. Focus on the future that I have prepared for you, a future filled with joy, purpose, and abundance. See yourself walking in victory, overcoming every obstacle, fulfilling your divine potential. See yourself surrounded by love, embraced by peace, and radiating with my light. This is not a fantasy. It is a promise. It is the destiny I have ordained for you, the life I have called you to live. My promises are like stars, ever shining, ever constant, ever guiding. Though clouds of doubt may obscure them from your sight, their light remains, undimmed, unwavering. Trust in these promises, even when you cannot see their immediate fulfillment. Embrace this vision, my child. Hold it close to your heart. Let it be your guiding star, your source of inspiration, your motivation to persevere. And as you walk this path, remember to be a beacon of light for others. Share your faith, share your love, share your hope. Be a source of encouragement, a vessel of my grace. Let your life be a testament to my power, a living example of my love. For you are my beloved child, chosen and appointed to shine brightly in this world. You are a reflection of my glory, a vessel of my grace, a testament to my unwavering love. Walk in this truth, embrace this destiny, and know that I am with you always, even to the end of the age. The blessings are already yours. The victory is already won. Step into it, my child. Step into the fullness of your life, the abundance of my love, and the radiant future I have prepared for you. And when doubts assail you, when fears threaten to overwhelm you, return to this truth. You are loved unconditionally and eternally. This love is your shield, your strength, your constant companion. Let it fill you, sustain you, and guide you on your journey. Never forget, my child, the power that resides within you, the power of my spirit, the power of faith, the power of love. This power is greater than any obstacle, stronger than any fear, more enduring than any challenge. Tap into this power, my child, and you will overcome. You will triumph. You will shine. And so it is. Amen.